So I'm Kevin Mortimer, Head of Operations at the University of Reading in the UK. My role is looking at the entire infrastructure, whether that's on-premise or in public cloud. So my teams cover server storage, networking, technical security, Microsoft 365, Azure, Oracle Cloud. They're quite a broad remit. Juniper is a really good fit. It scales well, but also it has some modern way of thinking about things. A lot of our infrastructure is generally quite old and legacy. We then can look at Juniper Mist and say, well, actually, with Marvis as our new network engineer, we don't have to do a lot of the legwork. All those smaller tasks, and then the notifications, the managing of the events on our network, that's where Marvis is helping. We can now have full visibility of our entire state in one platform, using Marvis actions, letting the AI help us and really drive those outcomes, meaning that we have a lot of complexity in our network, lots of different users and use cases, but using Marvis, we can scale to that and really add all those complexities we've always struggled to without increasing the size of the team, adding value. With Premium Analytics, it allows you to keep up to a year's worth of data. Mist, it's collecting around 250 bits of data from every endpoint on your network every 2 seconds. With Premium Analytics, that data is transformed into more trend-based data. So it keeps the data it needs to keep and then trashes everything else. What that allows you to do is, through different types of reporting, whether it's around occupancy or client device, allows you to really drill in, look for more trend data, whether that's broad across your estate or actually really focusing into one area. This value we're now getting is allowed to streamline operations, not just in IT, but across the business. Our estates team have this constant challenge of how do we know what space is being used for what and at what times of day? Do we just keep sending cleaners in at 8 AM every day, or before that, or after that, or maybe every other day? We don't know. We don't know how to be operationally more effective. With Mist, the estates team have access to this data. They can look at when buildings are occupied. We can see that there hasn't been any change in activity in those days in these particular buildings. So let's not send cleaners in. Let's send them to areas which are busy every day and maybe could do with a bit more attention. Heating can be delayed and managed differently. These are real-world use cases for us, and it's allowing us to be a lot more sort of efficient at how we're doing things. You can now have a lot of historic data, which will allow your business to look at how you then operate and what you might change in future weeks and months, rather than just looking at the here and now. So Mist's great for the here and now with Marvis actions and really helps you sort of drive your network. The Premium Analytics piece really allows you to think about actually how might you be adapting your network for the future and change how it's been used based on your current trends.